So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Moonpay to buy crypto and send it to Metamask. So to do this is pretty simple. Here we have to go to our Metamask first, so we'll locate our BNB right here. So for an example, we have BNB right here and then we have to receive. So we'll get its address right here and copy it. So from there we'll have to redirect to our Moonpay. So we're going to use Moonpay to buy crypto and send it to our Metamask directly. So basically to do this, just press buy. And then we're gonna have to use BNB, of course. So BNB, so we're gonna use the BEP20 smart chain. So let's do 200 euros right here and then we'll press continue. From there, we'll have to paste our address that we have copied from a while ago in MetaMask. So to redirect from there once you buy it directly to your MetaMask wallet and not to your Moonpay account and not anywhere else. So once you have redirected it there, let's go to your Moonpay, pay with your debit or bank transfer, and it's just that simple. So once you have pushed through with your own payment with your bank account or your debit or credit account, it's just going to be successful. It's going to redirect you to your own MetaMask account where you will have it received in no time. So basically, once you have done that, it's just going to show up right here and you'll have no problem. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.